Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about an update that's supposedly coming from Samsung for the Galaxy S24 Ultra pertaining to the screen. Now with the S24 Ultra, there is a new screen coating on here, or a new type of screen that is less reflective than the previous models, and with that a lot of people are saying that the screen is not as vivid as it used to be. The colors aren't as bright, it doesn't pop as much as previous models, and with this you can see here there's not too much of a huge difference between natural and vivid. Natural is more of a kind of orangish tint to it, a warmer tint. Vivid right here, you can adjust the color temperature and the white balance right here between the cool and warm. There are also some advanced settings down here for the RGB, but a lot of people are saying this update is going to add 3 different levels of vivid. So you can make it kind of similar to the screen on the S23 Ultra, the S22 Ultra, or I believe the S21 Ultra, which is a super vivid screen. So that's going to kind of be the difference between those. So Samsung has listened to users on this new screen. Now I am using a screen protector on mine, the Whitestone Dome screen protector, so it's not as anti-reflective as it would be if it was just the screen by itself or using one of Samsung's anti-reflective screen protectors. But I do prefer the glass screen protector of the Whitestone Dome screen protector over a plastic one, and of course over just using the bare screen by itself to let it get scratched up and stuff like that. I have been using it on Vivid since day one, and I haven't noticed too much of a difference in the screen color temperature and the colors and how vibrant and everything is, but I was also using an iPhone most of the time before this, so I'm sure if you're coming from something like an S23 Ultra or an S22 Ultra, the difference would be a lot more noticeable than it would be coming from a different device with a totally different screen. So once that update comes out, we'll go ahead and install it and show you guys the difference. It has not rolled out yet. We have not gotten any updates for the S24 series since release, so we are still waiting on that very first update to kind of work out those initial quirks and bugs that people find when they initially get their devices. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. As always, have a great day.